show ever.
That's submitted to President Obama's playlist.
Wow.
Did it? It's on his iPod? and he can sing. What did you think of his little rendition at the Harlem Theater?
He can sing?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I hope you know something about.
Oh yeah.
You didn't hear him sing?
Yeah.
Oh, it's incredible.
Al Green.
Yeah, he was incredible.
I'm gonna ask him to sing one of my songs from my old album. It's called "Did It On Him."
Oh, did it? I know that song because I was.
This is my room.
Now, you are both spokespeople for Mac Viva Glam, which does amazing work. Tell me about the collaboration and what's going forward.
Well, first of all, since I was in high school, I wanted to be a part of this campaign, right? But I didn't realize that there was a bigger story behind the lipstick. I just said, I want to be on those posters, you know?
Right.
And then recently, I was fortunate enough for them to reach out to me and say, we would like you to be a part of this amazing thing. And I said, what amazing thing? What do you guys do? They started telling me how much money they actually give the most out of anyone, you know, to AIDS research and, you know, just helping people with AIDS. And the one thing that struck me was when she said it's actually the leading killer of African-American women between the ages of 18 and 30.
Right.
And I was like, this is insane. Because, you know, I guess you think people are aware, but we're really not aware.
Well, and I think what's important is that you two have bigger voices than most people. You know, you
Absolutely.
reach a much greater group of people, and what